Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a really simple way to make box beads really sharp edged square shaped beads, if that's what you want to call it. And there's not much that is required over here. You just need to basically roll out a slab of clay roughly at the thickness of about 0.5 centimeters or 0.6 centimeters. You can basically use your X-acto, a Fettling knife. You'll have to have a nice square shaped cookie cutter for this. This is a square shaped cookie cutter that I have here, and I have actually used this to cut out these shapes. I have a refill over here. Let's just see how we can do. I mean, this is so easy, and it also gives you very sharp clean crisp cuts with regard to the beads. I mean, I have already uploaded a video of how I have done a box bead. This is just another method, and it's really easy, and from one slab you will be able to get quite a few beads in one go. So let's just see how to do this. This is one big square bead. Now what you can also use a scale for this to get exact measurements. That is, if this is going to be like, say, approximately 1.5 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters, just mark it halfway through and cut it. That's all. So I would just give it one clean crisp cut. Just be careful to use a nice sharp knife. That helps. That makes a big difference. And there, I already have 4 beads with me. It's as simple as this. There you go. You see in front of you itself, I mean, that's like quickly I have about 12 beads ready over here. All that you need to do now is you can just basically smoothen the edges. And you see how nice and neat these beads are. And when they're put together, they can just look really nice. Now what you need to do is obviously smoothen the edges. I'm using a little bit of oil because my clay is a little too wet. So just really easy way to get multiple number of beads, because square beads are quite a popular kind in my opinion, and they look really nice when it's assembled. And using a good quality cookie cutter also helps. There. Now what I would do is I would use a ballpoint pen refill, oil it, and just continue to basically make a hole. You see how how quickly beads are getting actually made. Like 12 beads, you can assemble a very small like a small set at least with these 12 beads, like putting 6 on each side. Really nice. And you can choose to also do designs on the side if you wish. All that I used was a sharp knife, a ballpoint pen refill, and a good quality cookie cutter. That really helps in getting a neat shape. So here you go. Really hope you found this video useful, everyone. It's really easy, and you can actually generate quite a good number using this method. And the box bead is also a great way to get. I mean, you'll get a slightly more smoothened out a box bead, like a square shaped or a cuboid shaped bead. Whereas in this, you basically have slightly more sharper edges. That's the only difference. and they also work beautiful when it's all put together. And because the sides are plain, if you wish to, you can also add designs to them, but when they come together, they can, you know, they can be assembled, and you know, a lot of these basically would look good. You can use a spacer in between these beads, or however you wish to wish to basically assemble the entire set. I really hope you found this video useful, everyone. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you.